Hello everyone, this is a quick video to show you how to delete your old Filemaker launcher on a MacBook and replace it with the new one. On your dock, you should have a quick launch for network drives. When you click on that, you should see the database launcher at the top there. You'll click at the very top, Open in Finder. You will see that the database launcher is right there. Just right click and move it to the trash. Now go to your email. You'll have an email from us with the new database launcher, which you will download. And then if you choose Open or Show in Finder, it will show you the file in your Finder. And grab the file and drag it over to the other window that shows your network drives. Now, when you go to launch Filemaker from the quick launch on network drives, the new Filemaker file is there, and you can just click on it, and Filemaker launches and asks you to sign in. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.